Vocabulary 1. Minded. Here is the list of English words containing minded, categorized by their meanings. In English, when minded is combined with an adjective or a noun, it forms a compound adjective that describes a person's inclination, attitude, or focus. Personality and way of thinking. These words describe a person's disposition, temperament, or mental state. Open-minded, willing to consider new ideas, unprejudiced. Narrow-minded, close-minded, intolerant, rigid, or conservative in thought. Absent-minded, habitually forgetful or inattentive. Like-minded, having similar tastes, opinions, or interests. Independent-minded, having strong autonomous beliefs, not easily influenced by others. Fair-minded, just, impartial, and objective. Strong-minded, determined, willful, and resolute. Feeble-minded, lacking intelligence, weak-willed, often considered dated. 2. Goal-oriented or value-driven business and society. These words describe someone who prioritizes or highly values a specific area in career or life. Career-minded, highly focused on professional advancement or success. Business-minded, having a good understanding of business or commercial talent. Money-minded, primarily concerned with making or saving money, pragmatic. Civic-minded, having a strong sense of civic duty or public spirit. Community-minded, interested in and supportive of the local neighborhood or group. Safety-minded, extremely conscious of safety protocols and accident prevention. 3. Academic or field-specific inclinations. These words describe someone whose intellect or talent naturally leans toward a specific subject. Scientifically minded, analytical, logical, and inclined toward science. Mathematical minded, having a natural aptitude for math and calculations. Technically minded, proficient in understanding machinery, systems, or IT. Politically minded, deeply interested in or involved with political affairs. Artistically minded, possessing a natural talent or deep appreciation for the arts. For basic descriptive compounds, prefix plus minded. These words describe the moral or intellectual depths of a person's mind. High-minded, having high moral principles, noble. Low-minded, vulgar, coarse, or ignoble. Evil-minded, having malicious or wicked intentions. Simple-minded, unsophisticated, naive, or foolishly simple. Example sentences. 1. personality and way of thinking, open-minded. Travel helps people become more open-minded about other cultures. We need an open-minded manager who welcomes suggestions from the team. Even if you disagree, try to keep an open-minded attitude during the debate. She is open-minded enough to change her opinion when presented with new evidence. The university encourages students to be open-minded toward diverse viewpoints. Narrow-minded, close-minded. His narrow-minded views made it difficult to have a productive discussion. It is narrow-minded to assume that there is only one correct way to live. The local council was criticized for its narrow-minded approach to urban development. Growing up in a small, isolated village made him somewhat narrow-minded. We should avoid narrow-minded prejudices when working in a global economy. She found it frustrating to deal with such close-minded colleagues. He realized that being close-minded was holding back his personal growth. They rejected the proposal without reading it, showing a very close-minded attitude. An education system should challenge close-minded perspectives. It is hard to introduce new technology to a close-minded organization. Absent-minded. The absent-minded professor forgot his briefcase in the lecture hall. She made an absent-minded mistake and poured orange juice into her coffee. He gave an absent-minded nod, clearly not paying attention to the conversation. My absent-minded brother is always looking for his lost car keys. She walked into the room but stopped, completely absent-minded about why she was there. Like-minded. The club provides a great space for like-minded people to share their hobbies. She moved to the city to collaborate with other like-minded artists. They formed a political group to gather like-minded voters in the area. It is deeply refreshing to spend time discussing ideas with like-minded friends. The conference was a wonderful opportunity to network with like-minded professionals. Independent-minded. He is a very independent-minded person who rarely follows the crowd. The board is looking for independent-minded directors to challenge the executive team. Independent-minded voters often decide the final outcome of the elections. She grew up to be an independent-minded woman who pursued her own dreams. The journalist was praised for her independent-minded reporting on controversial issues. Fair-minded. A fair-minded judge will always listen to both sides of the story before deciding. The committee needs a fair-minded leader to resolve this bitter dispute fairly. Fair-minded citizens quickly condemned the biased media coverage of the event. Fair-minded. He is known as a fair-minded supervisor who treats all employees equally. It is important to have a fair-minded approach when reviewing your peers' performance. Strong-minded. She is a strong-minded individual who never compromises her core principles. The company needs a strong-minded leader to guide them through this financial crisis. Strong-minded individuals are usually better at resisting peer pressure in school. He was too strong-minded to let criticism stop him from launching his project. Her mother was a strong-minded woman who raised 4 children entirely on her own. Feeble-minded. Dictators often try to control the population by making them feel feeble-minded. The defense lawyer argued that his client was too feeble-minded to plan the crime. It is cruel to mock someone just because you consider them to be feeble-minded. His feeble-minded executions did not convince the menace to give him another chance. Old medical texts used the term feeble-minded to describe various cognitive disabilities. 2. Goal-oriented, value-driven business society. Career-minded. Career-minded individuals often spend long hours at the office to get ahead. The company designs special training programs to attract career-minded graduates. He was so career-minded that he had very little time left for his family. Career-minded professionals constantly look for networking opportunities in their field. She joined a mentorship program to connect with other career-minded women. Business-minded. The project requires a team of business-minded professionals to succeed globally. He showed a business-minded approach by calculating the return on investment early. She is a business-minded artist who knows exactly how to market her paintings. Business-minded people are always looking for gaps in the current market. His business-minded father advised him to study economics instead of literature. Money-minded. He is very money-minded and refuses to invest in projects that don't pay well. Some critics argue that the modern healthcare system has become too money-minded. She married a money-minded businessman who managed their finances very strictly. Being too money-minded can sometimes cause you to lose track of what truly matters. The money-minded investors quickly pulled their funding when profits began to drop. Civic-minded. Civic-minded residents regularly volunteer to clean up the local public parks. Cleanup. The mayor praised the civic-minded business owners who sponsored the town festival. Civic-minded individuals are more likely to vote and participate in local politics. The school aims to educate the civic-minded students who care about social justice. A civic-minded lawyer offered free legal advice to low-income families in the area. Community-minded. The neighborhood relies on community-minded volunteers to run the food bank. He is a community-minded person who always checks on his elderly neighbors. The bank supports community-minded projects by offering low-interest loans. Community-minded organizations work together to build a new playground for kids. She received an award for her community-minded efforts to reduce local crime rates. Safety-minded. Safety-minded construction workers never enter the site without wearing hard hats. The factory hired a safety-minded inspector to review all the heavy machinery. Safety-minded drivers always maintain a safe following distance on wet highways. The airline is known for its safety-minded culture and excellent maintenance record. Parents appreciate the safety-minded design of the new school bus route. 3. Academic or field-specific inclinations. Scientifically minded. Scientifically minded students enjoy conducting experiments in the chemistry lab. He took a scientifically minded approach to solving the agricultural problems. Scientifically minded people usually demand empirical evidence before believing a claim. She read a lot of science fiction because she was very scientifically minded. The museum offers interactive exhibits designed for scientifically minded children. Mathematically minded. Mathematically minded individuals often find careers in data analysis very rewarding. Find rewarding. He has a mathematically minded brain that can calculate large numbers instantly. Mathematically minded students usually excel at playing chess and solving puzzles. She approached the financial budget from a mathematically minded perspective. The software the software engineering team requires highly mathematically minded programmers. Technically minded. Technically minded users will find the advanced settings of this app very useful. He is technically minded and loves tearing apart old computers to fix them. The company needs a technically minded manager to lead the IT department. She wrote a technically minded manual that explained the coding process clearly. Technically minded people quickly adapt to using new software and hardware tools. Politically minded. Politically minded citizens spent the weekend campaigning for their favorite candidate. She writes articles for a politically minded magazine that focuses on global policy. She became politically minded during his university years and joined several protests. Politically minded groups are demanding immediate changes to the current tax laws. It is hard to have a neutral conversation with such a politically minded person. Artistically minded. Artistically minded tourists usually spend most of their vacation visiting museums. She created an artistically minded workspace filled with colorful paintings and plants. Artistically minded children should be encouraged to draw, paint, and sculpt freely. He expressed his artistically minded vision through a series of black and white photos. The city is trying to attract artistically minded professionals to renovate the district. For basic descriptive compounds, prefix plus minded. High-minded. His high-minded ideas made him refuse to accept any political compromises. She delivered a high-minded speech about the importance of integrity and honesty. High-minded critics often dismiss popular blockbusters as lacking artistic value. They launched a high-minded campaign to eliminate illiteracy across the nation. He was a high-minded scholar who spent his entire life searching for historical truths. Low-minded. The tabloid newspaper relies on low-minded gossip to attract cheap attention. He shocked the guests at the dinner party with his low-minded jokes. It is disappointing to see politicians engage in such low-minded mudslinging. She refused to lower herself to their low-minded level of discussion. The movie was criticized for its low-minded humor and lack of a coherent plot. Evil-minded. The movie features an evil-minded villain who wants to destroy the entire world. Evil-minded rumors were spread online to destroy the young singer's reputation. He warned his daughter to stay away from those evil-minded troublemakers at school. The detective immediately uncovered the evil-minded plot to poison the Welsh merchant. It is said that some evil-minded people find joy in causing pain to innocent animals. Simple-minded. The fairy tale features a simple-minded giant who is easily tricked by a clever boy. It is simple-minded to think that complex economic problems have quick, easy fixes. He gave a simple-minded answer that showed he did not understand the question at all. She was annoyed by his simple-minded approach to a very delicate family matter. The cartoon character is loved by children for his simple-minded and honest nature. Simply, Jesus is the Savior. The end. Thank you very much.